Hey guys, can you do me a favor? Can you come in for a second? I just want to try something real quick.
Are you scared?
No. They saw something. I want to make sure it wasn't a light. You guys were out here, so I want you guys to do something.
Yeah, we were.
Is there anybody around here who's got a wrench? I need a wrench. Got some stuff that's broke. I need some help here. You got a wrench? Is that a yes? That was crazy.
We know secrets. Can you come over? What's that?
I heard that. What was that? I got something I want to set up here.
Is that yours or mine? Is that temperature's changing?
Yeah.
Can somebody say Shay's name for us so we know who you are here? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for saying Shay. Do you know Shay?
Look, guys.
Hello.
Alright, be nice. Did you say screw you? Be nice.
So you said you got a screwdriver. Is that what you said? Dude. Right here. I don't know.
It is kind of cold right here. Are you nervous?
None of your business. It is our business.
Y'all stop being smart, but
You're not evil. No, you're not.
no, you're not.
I think we need to go tell the boss that somebody needs to get the old pink slip. Be let go. I've never met as many rude people in my life as I have here at Sloss Furnace. I'm appalled. Exactly. Rude people. Rude. So rude people, do you want myself and Shay to move on? Yes? Well, plain say move on. Tell us. Say it like this. Move on.
You won't turn that flashlight on, we don't know if you hear it or not for real. Yeah, I saw that a minute ago. What is that? Yeah, we gotta go, y'all not gonna do anything.
Can anybody say the F word for us? Oh man, you got all these people. Does that piss you off? You trying to work on something or hide out? Now everybody's here? Go ahead and and say it. Holy shit, everybody's here. Okay.
There it was.
I appreciate y'all being rude to us. Well, all right. Female said we're here, just last time. Well, there's a female.
Hey guys, Shay put a flashlight over there by the door. Can you go over there and touch it? Make it come on for us, please? You can. Please do. Hey guys, Shay put a flashlight over there by the door. Can you go over there and touch it? Make it come on for us, please? You can. Please do.
Thing I'm playing with above me, all that is, it's a recorder. So if you want to say hello, then I can hear you later on say hello.
Hello.